says Rice-a-Roni. Look at that. Chicken, rice with low sodium, all that good stuff. But does that look the same? Do we add something to that? Maybe. We got some stewed tomatoes. We got some cauliflower. We got some broccoli. We got some carrots. We got some turkey. Yeah, leftover turkey. Yeah, baby. And you know what else? Rice-a-Roni. Whatever. Gotta start somewhere, right? That's gonna be good. We're waiting for the boil. Once it boils, I'm gonna do the simmer for, like it says on the back of the package. Blah blah blah. Simmer, simmer, simmer. All right. It's gonna be some good dinner tonight, you guys. And anybody that says they need lids for the pan, I got a lid right here. Pretty cheap. Because these stupid pans don't come with lids. Alright, that's a copper pan, by the way. So this is going to be some good dinner tonight. We'll catch you guys later. Thanks for stopping by. What do we got here? Got the fan off. It's been the requested 18 minutes of simmering. Are we simmering? Right.
Ready?
Give that a tilt. Oh my god! Give it a couple stirs. Let's see what happens in there.
There's still a little bit of liquid at the bottom, but I think we're good.
I think it needs all to be stirred up once, or
I think you should stir. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, look at that.
We
Let's see
traded.
what we got here. Yeah, someone stirs better than other people.
Shut up!
Just saying. Someone goes like this, like.
Shut up!
Spoons are like, yeah, this one of those backwards spoons, whatever. I like them like this way. It's like a chopstick. Well, it looks pretty good though, but it looks kind of sloppy down there still.
I told you it needed to cook longer, but we want to let it simmer a little more. Or we done?
Yeah. Just a couple more minutes.
Okay. So I don't think I turned it off. No, yeah, it's still going. All right,
Look
cool.
at that. This looks like you know when you make a dinner for 50,000 people in India. It looks kind of like that.
Shh. Really?
No, it does.
No, it does kind of remind me of that.
Yeah, that's a rice.
Well, because of all the different kinds of ingredients, I think. Maybe that's why.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm a chef Boyardee.
Yeah.
All right, so I think I'm gonna do for like maybe 10 more minutes of simmering. And just push it all down a little bit.
Sweet.
Okay.
All right. See you guys.
I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay.
See ya.
Woohoo!